Cold approach is a crazy valuable way to meet women, but it's hard as hell. So here's a few different tips to make it a little bit easier on you. First one is just use the situation opener, which is relying on something that she's doing in the moment. Maybe if she's shopping and you comment on the hot sauce or something that she's looking at, saying it's hot or whatever. It's just a lot more natural. It's important that you don't look like somebody that's going around doing pickup. The next one is just move within 3 seconds from when you see her. Otherwise, you'll end up overthinking it. After that, go with a buddy because it just makes it a lot easier having that little bit of support. Even though it is a crutch, it still helps you a ton. You know that success rate for most guys is really 5, maybe 10%. That can go up quite a bit, but that's really what you should expect. So you're going to have to put in the numbers. Next, if it feels weird to do and it feels kind of wrong to do, but assuming the approaches are brief and they're polite and they're genuine, there's nothing wrong with it, unless you're like completely interrupting them for something they're doing. But it's fine. I mean, I approached my girlfriend this way. We've been dating for a very long time now, and I'm sure she and a lot of other people who've ended up in a relationship are glad that it happened. It's just don't be a creep about it. And finally, it's not really a tip, but just know that the end goal is not to always go out and approaching. It's to be able to take and seize an opportunity to approach in your day-to-day life. And this, I found it is so much more successful this way because it's just in the moment. Again, if a girl's looking at you and giving a signal, you're able to take advantage of that because you've eliminated the approach anxiety. But if you need any help, I have my AA guide on my site you can check out. Peace.